Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making something to cover the trigger on my Glock 20. This is the chest rig I have set up for hiking and backpacking. In the past I had just stuck my pistol down inside of a chest rig just without a round in the chamber because the trigger was uncovered and it was just the only thing inside the pouch. But now I'd like to be able to carry a round in the chamber, so I'm going to make something that's going to cover not only the trigger but also the light to make sure the light isn't accidentally activated as well. This is going to be pretty simple. All we're going to do is start off with a small scrap piece of Kydex. This is the thinner stuff. It's not actually going to be holding the pistol like a normal holster would be. It's just going to be covering the trigger, so it doesn't have to be the really thick stuff. So thin piece of Kydex. It's plenty long to cover up the trigger and the light activation paddles, and plenty long to be able to wrap around. What we're going to do is we're just going to heat this whole thing up. We're going to squish it between this foam, and then we're going to grind and cut away the excess and get it down to the size we want. But a little bit too big to start off with, and then we'll shape it down after that. Alright, here we go. All I've done is put a little hole in the end here, put a piece of 550 cord through and tied a knot. That way whenever you pull it, the little holster will just pop right off. What you do at the end of this string is find some way to attach it inside your chest rig. I'm going to take a little piece of this nylon webbing and sew it down inside the bottom. I'm going to tie this 550 cord off to it. That way whenever I draw the pistol out, when the pistol reaches about this height right here, just as soon as the trigger guard's outside and I can have a full grip on the gun, this will pop free. One thing I've noticed is that about 1 in 3 times that I pull it off, the light will turn on and it normally just flashes a little bit. If that's going to be a problem for you, you just need to pack some spacers around the switches before you mold the Kydex. Doesn't really matter for me, so I'm not going to remake it, but if that'd be a problem, like I said, just put the spacers in, you should be fine. But anyways, there you go. It's a pretty simple solution to carrying a pistol loose inside of your chest rig.